I'm working for Abicor Binzel in Germany. We are located in the center of Germany in Frankfurt, and we are here at the Steel Fab this year with our own booth, as we have started running with our own company here in the Middle East in the Ras Al Khaimah Free Zone, and we are very glad this time to be here with our own presentation and represent our products here, which are state-of-the-art products with a lot of advantages, and bring to that market here in the UAE, which is one of our most important markets in the Middle East. We have a lot of high-tech products and high-quality level products, and it is already well accepted here in the market, and the people are recognizing the quality of our products. So we have decided to come here with our own company and to give our support here to the market with well-trained people who can really support the industrial demand here in the Middle East.
So we started our operation in last year, April 2011, to feed the whole Middle East market. So our main aim is to get the product to the end users fast. Getting it from Germany takes time, so very fast, and stocking according to the requirement of the whole Middle East market. So it saves the money for the traders, end users, save money, a lot of money on transport costs. So here, our plan is to get into each and every welder the right product, because here what happened mainly, people are using a torch which is not the right torch. So we identify those customers, suggest the right torch, give the right torch, so that it saves the electricity, manpower, a lot of things. In the end of the day, the benefit for the end users. That's very important, because save electricity is very important nowadays, energy. So that costs money. So that's the main aim for us. And welders' health, that's the second one. So that's it. Thanks a lot.
Now let me introduce one of our, let's say, latest products we have, and we demonstrate to our, let's say, customers, users, how we brought this new technology to the torches. We are comparing here, let's say, a standard range with our latest development, the so-called lightweight torches. You see, even in the weight here, in the handling weight, we compare it. We have already here about 300 grams different. If you can see, this is much lighter. So when you take that torch, and you feel it in that, it is a very light and well-balanced tool. This gives a really benefit to the welder, as the welder is feeling less stress, and with that tool he is able to increase his productivity. Increase productivity because of less feeling strength to his arm. So the welder has to do some overhead weldings. He has to do some critical. So this tool, if you make it lighter, at the end of the day, the welder feels happy. You have an increased productivity, and also the sickness rate of the welders is going down. And we have really made investigation together with a German university with sports scientists, and it is approved that the welder who has less weight in his hands, that he really can increase productivity a lot. And this is now approved by German university, and we can recommend this torch to this market here as well, and it is already well accepted.